Okay, here's your chance to sell your unused, unexpired test strips for cash. So the first thing you do is count your boxes, see how many you have, and then confirm the expiration date. Now here's a couple examples. That there I think is on a Accu-Chek Aviva. Here's on a Bear Breeze 2. You can see right here, 4 of 2011. 8/31/2010. Check these dates to make sure, in order to get the full quoted value, that these are 6 months out. Okay? Anything less than that's probably going to be a prorated value. The other thing to check, for example, on the Avivas is there's a serrated tab right here. You need to make sure that that serrated tab is intact. Here's another example. I apologize for the glare on the picture, but the point is to show you right here. On an Accu-Chek Compact, see how that seal is intact? Make sure that those are all good before you send any boxes. Now, here's an example of what we're not looking for. Somebody here has tried to peel off a label and they've left a big old mess on the box. So you can see, fragments of label all left over. I've crossed out some personal information here. But as you can see, this isn't really desirable for somebody, and you will definitely not receive full value if the test strips are sent in this way. Now, when you send them to us, one of the best and greatest ways that I've found is to use the USPS, United States Post Office, priority mail. Now, I want to show you a couple examples of this. Is what they call the small flat rate box. Whatever you can get in that box will ship for $4.95 from the post office. But as you can see, relative to the size of a One Touch Ultra box, not a lot goes in there. Here's the secret I've learned. Go to what they call the media box. And if you have any questions about that, your local post office will help you tremendously. You can also get these online and they'll bring them to your house for free. These boxes cost you nothing. Now, the nice thing about these mailing boxes is this one's not a flat rate. It's based on distance and weight. But I can tell you right now from experience in shipping these test strips that they don't weigh a lot, so they don't cost a lot to ship. So look and see if the media size box will give you what you need to ship the strips to us. Now, there are other boxes out there. Another one of my favorites called the number 7. And again, your local post office will be able to help you with that number 7 box. You can do that a lot cheaper than you can do, say, a medium flat rate box, which is $10.95, or a large flat rate, which is $13.95. And the whole key is that we can put maximum money in your pocket and reduce our shipping costs as well. All right. Now, we mentioned on our website that we take lancets, $1 a box. Here's what we're looking for. One Touch, Accu-Chek are a couple of the big brands. Okay. Here's what we're not looking for. Here's a couple of examples of private label brands. These come from Liberty. Not interested in those. This is a company called GlucoPro. Again, not interested in those. Okay, so then you box them up and then send them to Covenant Technical Services, 851, that's pronounced Brian Air Drive, Mansfield, Ohio, 44903. And put them attention me. My name is Mike, and they'll make sure to deliver them to the right place. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@webuyteststrips.com. Again, info, write that out for you, at webuyteststrips.com.